Hello and welcome to yet another exciting tutorial on this channel. I am Raphael Adeyemo. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an advanced countdown effect using VBA and link it to our previous tutorial on text float-in effect to usher us into the new year 2023. If you have not watched that tutorial, please kindly do so. It is among the you will find it among the user form. You will find it among the animate user form playlist. Open a blank new Excel workbook and head straight to the developer tab and click on it. Now you should come to Visual Basics and also click on it to open the Visual Basic for Application interface for you. When this happens, go straight to the Insert tab and then insert a new user form. The user form is the interface where you'll be carrying out your design process. Now select image and then also draw it on the user form. Let it fill the entire user form. Now with the user form, let us select an image. I have already prepared some image which I worked on using PowerPoint and place them on the desktop. So let me go to the desktop and then select this first image and insert it. Come down to the picture size mode effect and then click on stretch mode. The next thing you're going to do is to select a label and then draw it out here. Come down here to select a font type for it. You can choose to use the one there. Let me take this one and then let me increase the font size to 72. Let me change the caption to 10. It appears to be small, so let me increase the font size again to 90. Still small. So let me take 100. So let me align the text to center. It has been aligned to the center. Select another label and draw it out here. And with this label, let us give it the name LBL word, and then also let us increase the font size to, let's say, 72, and also the font style, let us change the font style to black. The next thing we are going to do is to write out some code for the labels, the two labels, this and this. So we first of all have to declare function for it. Let us right click here and then come down here. Let us write some function for the numeral. and write this. So we have VBA.do event, and we just have to write just this line of code: UserForm 1.lbl numeral. What is the name for the LBL? This. Let me make it LBL numeral. So we have this. LBL numeral equal to format count quotation numbers and then bracket close. Format count hash comma count comma. That is the end of our function for the numeral, LBL numeral. So let us write another function for the word. Count as variant. So VBA.do events, then UserForm 1.lbl word equal to format count into quotation mark greater than. So it will be reducing as it counts, and then that is the end for our second function. Let me clear this out. The next thing we have to do is to select the user form and write our code in the user form activate. And let's go to activate, user form activate, and then write this. Write this code, line of code for the user form. So application dot wait into bracket now plus time value zero 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 one. So the application will have to wait for 1 second before it moves on to the next line of code. Time value dot wait one more. Application dot wait now plus The next thing we have to do is to call the numeral and then also call the word. So call, and then let's put 10 and then call word. We are calling the function numeral and then we are also calling the function word. So 10, and that is just the code that we need. And after that we still need application.wait into bracket now plus time quotation 00. I still omitted the quotation mark once again. So that is it for our line of code. Watch this. UserForm LBL word equal to format count so UserForm, spelling mistake on the UserForm. So we have 10 and then we have 10 here also. Text align center. We'll be writing the same line of code for the rest of the numbers, that is starting from 10 down to 9 to 0. Let us copy this out and then paste it here and change the time from 10 to 9. Paste it once more and then change it to 8. The last one will be 0. Okay, with the 0, let us add one more 0 to the time so that we reduce the time to 0.001 second. That is it. So let us run our application to see. Now we can then remove the caption label from here. Let us remove the caption label. And then also the caption 10, and make the labels transparent. Come here, make it transparent, and then also make this one too transparent. Let us run it once more. we will have to stretch out this a little bit. We have to stretch this out a little bit, and then also make the font color to be white. Make this one also the font color to be white. And beautiful. Okay, so what we have to do is to write this line of code again so that the labels and the image will disappear. So label 1.numeral.visible will be equal to false, and then label word dot visible equal to false, and then image 1.visible is also equal to false. This will come into play after we have count down to 0. Now let us write this. Before then, let us declare these variables. So go to the top here and then declare these variables. Dim xx as boolean, and then dim y as long. So these are the variables that we'll be using for our next line of code. Let us now select the image again and then drag it across the with this image selected. Let us come to picture and then add a new background to it. Click open and then come to stretch image size and then stretch it out. After that, let us select our label 1 and remove the caption label and make it 20. We can leave the name as label, and then let us look at the font size. First of all, let us change the font type, this heavy, and then let's increase the font size to 90. Let's select Latin for the font size and then increase it to 90 and click on OK. So let's take this one. Okay. Copy and paste this label. Copy, paste, and then make the caption 23. Select it and we now have 2023 boldly written on the user form. Let's select another label and draw it out here, and then for this label let us give it a caption Happy New Year. increase the font size to 90. Let's decrease the font size to 72. Okay. With image 2, let's come down here to make it image2.visible equal to false, so that when it runs, image 2 does not show, but we will be getting image 1. And let's go back into the code and rather call back image 2 and say image2 image2.visible equal to true. Okay, so with this, now let's come up here to declare this label 1 dot top equal to -110, and then we have label 2 dot top will be equal to -130, and then label 3 dot top equal to 350. Now the next thing we have to do is to write another code. So let us declare this private sub display. This is where we are going to add our animation. This animation, I have shown how to achieve it in previous video. You can go back and watch it, but for the purpose of those who have not watched it, I want to repeat it here. Now with label 1, let me comment it out. So label 1, this is the animation for label 1. XX is equal to false, and then do until XX. So label 1 dot top equal to label 1 dot top plus 1. So if label 1 dot top is equal to 80, then XX is equal to true. For Y is equal to 1 to 100,000. So next, and then do event, and then loop. Okay, so that ends our coding for label 1. We can just copy out the same code and then use it for label 2. So we copy, let's copy, and then apply the same coding for label 2. All what we have to change is 2, and then paste the same code for label 3 and change this to 3, and also with label 3. So with label 3, we are going to rather subtract, and that is the end of the code. We will then call this display in the UserForm activate. So call display. Let us run the code to see. So we can see that label 2 did not come out, but with label 3 we have to furthermore let it go down. So let us label 3, let's make it 450, and then let's look for label 2. Label 2 we have here as label 1. Let us run it once more. So we have to let this come down, the Happy New Year come down. So what we have to do is, let's go back into the coding. With label 3, let us increase it to 170 and run it this time around to see. Okay, I think it is good. We can now then make this transparent, and also transparent. Then we make the font color to be white. No, let's change it from white to this color, and then with this let's change the font color to this, and then let's change this font color to white. Let's run it to see. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Happy New Year and welcome to the year 2023. So we can now then assign a button for it. Let us come here to the design mode and then click command button, edit it, and then let's make right countdown. (2023). So now let's click on it. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Happy New Year, welcome to the year 2023. We can also place this in the workbook open event. So let's go back and then click on this workbook and then select here workbook and then workbook open event, and then add UserForm 1.show. This will make this user form to show as soon as we try to open the workbook. So let's save it and then let's save it, close, and then try to reopen the workbook again. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Happy New Year. With this, we have come to the end of yet another exciting tutorial on this channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Also, give me feedback in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion with regards to the topics that I have been treating on this channel, please feel free to let me know. Next year promises to be a mega year for this channel, because I'll be coming your way with such educative and mind-blowing and insightful tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. Happy New Year in advance. Bye bye.